Felicity, Coconut Red, Multi, a K person, not ultra grounded. A pink for your presentation. We're going to play the classroom on that video game. Sure, but this is thing. Now we'll play the video game now when I get home. Yes, since we're home, we're going to play Super Smash Bros. You made on the video game. 10 minutes later. That was a good video game. Now we're going to my room. Let's do it. When they got to the room, first we're going to make it. Grand banana, Omi and Yumi, Yumi. Second, we're going to make a VHS opening into Wonder Bro. When I need my V&D will not fake. 10 minutes later. Done. We're going to see I'm actually here to see what box the movies too. Good to Felicity and Felicity. Let's go now. Let me guess. Felicity, Coconut, right? Mostly escape person, make a grand video on me and Yumi. I mean the VHS only into Wonder Park for 194. Not being the real, not fake. No, it's fake. Wonder Park is real into 2019. Not into whatever. My parent now. Not being the. And then he rolls up a smash home. She made it. I hate that video game. I'm going to get all good when they get home. Felicity, Coconut Friend, Mochi, her escape person, brought to the smash home she made on the video game. That was only on Yomi. Make it is opening to Wonder Park one. Oh, nothing. You know something not for me for games though. And Grand and Julie can make a Brooklyn Grand, not getting granted. And what freaking was made by Paramount, not being the internet 1990, not 1990, but what else did you do after that? We want to see she will watch the movie too. Oh my god! Felicity, Coconut Fred, Moshi, how they who saw the Wolfbox movie too. That's a GBR Ultra Gun. Go to your room, right? If I said, spend rubber gumballs, send you to Russia.